Lots of men are simply mixing a blue salt into warm water and drinking it before bed. This is said to help them enhance their sex life and also help them deal with ED. Lots of men are feeling a lot hopeless and they don't know what to do anymore when it comes to this situation because ED is actually such a big problem amongst men that men are starting to feel helpless. So this simple salt trick can actually help you regain your performance in bed, help you go back to feeling active and a lot younger too. Men are using this salt trick to help them also fight against ED. So this is actually something really simple and really powerful that can help out any men despite their age. I will be leaving for you their link in the description box of this video so you can check it out at your time being. But you guys, you must hurry. Who knows for how long this video will be up. What the ED industry doesn't want you to know is that this simple hack can simply help out any men fight against ED and go back to having a really healthy sex life filled with joy, filled with lots of pleasure, and also no more ED. This simple salt trick, guys, is natural, it is healthy, and it can really do the trick. Think about it this way. You're not going to have your wife, avoiding you. On the other hand, she's going to be looking for you all the time. You're going to make her go nuts. You're going to make her climb up the walls all over again. So this simple salt trick is a lifesaver. And if you do it the right way, if you use it correctly, then I know you're going to have great results. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Hurry and check out that link that I left for you below this video.
Notice the difference?
Absolutely, yes.
Good difference?
Yeah, it's bigger. It's definitely bigger.
Yeah?
It is.
It's crazy, isn't it?
It is insane.
What would you say is the biggest difference that you noticed?
It's girthier.
Girthier?
It's got girth.
And when I told you that I was going to do it, what did you say?
I was skeptical. I was like, oh, come on.
You also said I didn't need it.
I also said you didn't need it, but
Now that I did it.
yeah, it's definitely, I can definitely absolutely tell the difference.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Good?
Yes, good.
Good. So, any guy out there that's like insecure about his size or just wants to be like bigger, what would you recommend?
I would, absolutely, yes. I mean, you've used it, you've lived it, you went through the process.
Yeah.
You know it works.
Yeah. Want me to keep you the same?
I think we're good where we're at. We don't
What?
need anything else.
No, no bigger? I'm going another 30 days.